Hello, I am Mickey McIntyre, the Information Management Librarian at the Rowan University School of Osteopathic Medicine Library. Today I have a quick video on doing a subject search in PubMed. Now PubMed can handle natural language searches, but for the best results, you must use just a few very specific words. Don't use a run-on sentence, and don't bother using any hyphenation or quotes. We'll let PubMed find the phrases and things like that. So if you were looking for information on maybe light therapy and depression, here's how you could go about it. From our website, click the PubMed button and then the search button. You always want to go through our site so that PubMed knows you are entitled to see everything that Rowan subscribes to. And here at the search line, just type the very simple light therapy depression. 2,618 articles. A bit more than I had intended. And right now we have it sorted by best match. Up here is the sort. Sometimes you might want to see the most recent, and you could switch to that. It will keep the top few of the best matches, and then the rest will go into most recent. Now you can see whichever one works better for you. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. I like that article. Bright light therapy to treat depression to individuals with mild, moderate, or severe dementia. So that looks like an interesting article. If you want to see the full text, you would go over to the right-hand side and view full text. And this is going out to one of the vendors we subscribe to. And from Issues in Mental Health Nursing. You can scroll through the whole article here, or a smart thing is always to hit the PDF button. And we'll download it as a PDF. Gives you a good quality looking article. It starts with a cover sheet and goes right into the details. So if you wanted to save this, you could download it with this button or the other button to print the article. So let's go back here. And we can hit the back button and look at other articles and see which pops up the better selection. Did you like what you saw? This is currently most recent, 2018 March. That's pretty recent. Adolescence. You could add in other things. Did you want dementia? Did you want adolescence? Again, every time you add something, you restrict the amount that you get. So we'll add adolescence, though. Well, now we're down to 259 articles. Adolescents and young adults. The next one doesn't mention them, but it's possible. Sleep-depressed youth. Now, if we switch that from most recent back to best match, let's see what changes there. You won't change the number, you will change the order they come up in. Sometimes you can't even see much of a difference. Sometimes you can. But that's the way to do a quick subject search. Keep it simple. Keep it very targeted, and don't use a run-on sentence. You wouldn't have wanted to put in the use of light therapy for adolescents and youth and children with depression who are incarcerated for petty crimes or something like that. That would just destroy the entire search, just the simple facts. So thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you have trouble, feel free to contact one of the librarians by calling the library at 856-566-6800 or clicking the chat button or the Ask a Librarian button on our website at https://www.lib.rowan.edu/som.